Assalamu alaikum. This is Brad Addo, aka Your Demi Sheikh, and today I'm coming to you with some more financial information for the average Muslim that's looking to invest into their future now and later. Okay, and as we all know, we are supposed to be evolved for the best of mankind, and so why not set an example by leaving good financial blessings for our children's children, our children and our children's children, and also how about us living the best life here? As well as the hereafter. That's in the Quran as well. Okay. As a matter of fact, I want to say that's Surah 16, ayat 97. I could be wrong, but it's floating right around there. But anyway, so today I'm coming to you, and I told you from the previous video that I was going to talk to you about investing. So this is kind of like a follow up on it. One of the things I want to talk to you about, if you're still kind of shaky as to what to invest in, you don't know what type of stocks to invest in. If you want to, should you invest in Google? Should you invest in Apple? Are these people doing something crooked or something like that? Should I invest in certain airlines, certain store companies, certain banks? Is that the right thing to do? How about don't even worry about all that? How about investing into foreign currencies? Yes, if you didn't know that, you can invest into the currency that you currently live in. For instance, foreign currency is a $5 trillion market on a daily basis. It's bigger than the New York Stock Exchange. I believe those exchanges is floating anywhere around like $500 billion a day. The foreign currency market is a $5 trillion market. If you aren't familiar with this market, then I'm happy to educate you, inshallah. And what is happening is that the majority of the financial institutions that you are aware of, probably with the financial institution that you bank with, they're currently invested into the foreign currency market. Now, what that is, basically, I'm in the U.S., so any other currency that's not of the U.S. dollar is foreign currency to me. Okay, so whether it's the euro pound, whether it's the euro dollar, the British pound, the Australian dollar, the Nigerian dollar, whatever the case may be, that is considered foreign currency. Now, within the trading market, I am able to trade that currency even if I don't own it. I can buy and sell it even if I don't own it. All due to the technology age. This information was once kept a secret, and it's only became available to us maybe like the last 10 years. So previously, only the financial institutions and the people who had over millions of dollars could trade into this foreign currency market. Okay, they could, because you had to start off with $1 million or more. Okay, since the technology age, the information age, okay, now the average Joe, the average person, the average Muslim, such as you and me, can now trade in this currency market. Yes, it's riba free. We'll just trade $1 for the next. For instance, let me break that down for you. Let's just say you're trading, the euro pound for the US dollar. And the difference between that US dollar and euro pound could be a tenth of a cent. Not even a cent, but a tenth of a cent, because it constantly goes up and down. Okay, that difference is called a pip. So if it's 0.2 of a cent, 0.3 of a cent, whatever the case may be, that is called a pip. And people is getting paid hundreds, thousands, and tens of thousands of dollars off trading the currencies, because constantly currency goes up and down. Your country's currency may go up one day and it may go down the next day. My country currency, which is United States US dollar, that's USD, may go up one day and go down the next. Well, the thing is, there is a big market. Like I said, it's a $5 trillion market. It is the largest market in the history of trading, and it remains. Nothing is in the trillions except the foreign currency market. So people are now doing daily trading, and what they're doing, we're doing something phenomenal. We're showing people how to just get 10% daily, earn 10% daily, and I'm not talking about interest. I'm showing people right now, if you have $200 in sitting in your savings, how you can turn $200, and if you earn 10% daily off $200, in 60 days it'll be 55 grand. Okay. Meaning, if you were to learn how to trade, imagine if you learning a whole new skill set. The skill set that you will be learning is learning how to trade foreign currencies, strictly riba free. You can even open up a trading account, 100% riba free. Okay, Islamic rules, Sharia compliant, all that good stuff. Okay, and you can trade the US dollar for the New Zealand dollar, for the Australian dollar, for whatever currency. Every country that operates off its own currency is participating in this market. That's why it's a $5 trillion market. Every country is in on this. Every country is making trades. Every financial institution within every country is participating in this market. Okay? It's 85% financial institutions. The other 15% is traders such as me and you and others and so forth. Now you have a chance to participate in this market. So now you have a chance to get this money, create a financial future for your children and your children's children, and for yourself. Okay? So you don't have to worry about sitting your money in the bank. How about going to Hajj? How about going to Hajj? Okay? This can now be, and what you have to do is learn a skill set. Think about it. This can be the only skill set. Now I'm going to break this down. This is how real this is. This is the only skill set that the better you get, the more money you make. Think about it. You can be an excellent cook, but you still need clients to cook for. You can be an excellent electrician, but you still have to get hired so you can fix electricity in commercial buildings, residential, whatever the case may be. You can be an excellent musician, an excellent artist, but you still have to sell your art. The only way you can be an excellent trader is by earning excellent income. It's a direct reflect on the income. You can't be a good trader and broke. You see what I'm saying? It doesn't matter. The only way you're an excellent trader is you created excellent income from learning how to trade. How about making this your skill set? This is what I'm doing. Like I told you before in my previous videos, Allah's put me here in this investing world. I'm here to stay until Allah puts me on another mission. I have a couple of more missions that I'm doing right now. For one, I've been blessed to help people realize the truth away from the hadiths and just being with Quran only. Allah's placed me along with other people as one of the people that's just delivering the message. I'm not one of the, I'm just one of many, okay? So I also want to bring this financial revolution to you as well. So if you want more on this, more on how to trade foreign currencies, and also we're educating people on how to trade Bitcoin. My next video, I'm going to talk about how to trade Bitcoin, aka these cryptocurrencies, and how if you start now, you're ahead of the curve. We're getting people the education on Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money off this, okay? And you'll understand why it's a threat to the financial institutions and why they don't want you participating in it, because they want some of the money, okay? So if you want to know, well, how can I trade foreign currencies? How can I get a part of this? And you said it's riba free. I want to show me the money. Show me. Trust me, I don't mind showing you. The only thing you got to do is on this video, just type, send me the info. I'll send you the info so you can check it out for yourself. Okay? Like I said, I'm here to help us elevate and to help us get educated on this trading world that we've all been so shunned away from because we're scared that it's riba and all this stuff. When Allah says He has made trading, legit for us, and He's only forbid usury, usury, interest, all that good stuff. So we're just trading currencies, $1 for another. Right now, the Japanese yen is, for instance, the Mexican peso compared to the US dollar. One US dollar is probably worth $70 in Mexican pesos. Okay? We're trading currencies, one for the other. That's just all it is. Okay? Your dollar, your your country, may be 10 times less more than my dollar. How would you like to trade on that and get the difference between that? Or when your dollar goes up, get the currency on, get the income on that. Okay, this is a whole new world that if you haven't been educated on, okay, let me be one of the people that educate you on to get you started. We have a lot of people that's creating a new income, and like I said, we're showing people just how to earn 10% daily. So if you got money in the savings that you're saving, maybe you're saving for the Hajj. Maybe you're saving for your family's future. I mean, savings requires a lot of income. But what if we could show you how just to earn 10% from trading $200, just 10% daily, what that can do in 60 days or 90 days or a year. Okay, if you were to earn just 10% daily off $200, you'd be a millionaire a year later. Okay, this is what I'm working on. Okay, if you were to earn just 10% daily off $200 5 days a week, okay, within, what's that, 60 to 90 days, you'll have 50 grand off $200 without investing into another penny. If that sounds interesting, that sounds like something you want for you. If you don't have a family, if you're single just like me with no kids, hey, you can get in on it. So when you do have a family, you already got the money. You ain't got to worry about your family being broke ever again. Okay? I just wanted to give you that information. Once again, I'm all about helping our Muslims elevate in any way possible. Inbox me, just say, info or show me the money, either or. I'll give you this information, okay? My job is to get this information out so all of us can elevate, okay? Because one of my dreams in the dunya, okay, besides educating our people on what's right and what's wrong and getting us financially stable, I got to get my yacht, okay? One of my dreams is to own my own personal yacht. So I can travel the world. I want to be like, what's that, Sinbad in the Seven Seas. And I want to travel the world on my own personal yacht. I got my own food. I got my own everything in my own company, okay? I want to travel the world, and then I do want to skydive, okay? I'm going to be scared to skydive. Somebody's going to have to push me off the plane in order for me to skydive. But that is one of the dreams that I have. I haven't done any of those things. So, inshallah, I'll be able to do that, and I can only get those dreams. I can only fulfill those dreams by having these financial blessings that I'm pursuing. Because Allah said, He's going to give man for what he strives for. Now, if you're already on the right side of faith, which is where we are, on the right side of faith, the only thing we have standing in front of our way is our own personal desire to go and get it, okay? So let's be go-getters. Let's get what we're supposed to get. Like I said, you want to know more information on this, just type in info, please, or I prefer show me the money, okay? And I'll send this to you ASAP. Once again,